Come back, children. Yes, so now it's a rhyme time. Okay, yes. You like to recite a rhyme? Yes, I know that. Okay, so we will recite a rhyme. Okay, which rhyme we are going to recite today? Yes, Wee Willie Winky. Which rhyme? The title of the rhyme is Wee Willie Winky. Yes? What is Wee Willie Winky? Yes, it is the name of this boy. What is its name? Wee Willie Winky. Yeah, it's a long name, right? Yes. So, we will recite a rhyme. It's a Wee Willie Winky. Yes, children. Okay. Let me first read the rhyme and explain you. Okay. Then we will recite it together. पहले मैं आप लोग को explain कर दूँ rhyme. Okay. See. What is the rhyme? Wee Willie Winky. Okay. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Yes, children. One day what happened? Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. He runs through the town. Town is what? Yes, it is a city you live in. जहाँ पे आप लोग रहते हो ना, that city is known as town. Okay, so this Wee Willie Winky took his lantern and he runs through the town, all over the town. See the town? Yes, he's running. He's running into the town. Why he was running, children? Wee Willie Winky runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs. Yes, he went to the town. He go to the upstairs and he go to the downstairs. See? Yes, Wee Willie Winky. He run through the all town. He went to upstairs and he went to downstairs. Yes. In its nightgown, what he has worn? क्या पहना है उसने? नाइट गाउन. सी देखो उसने क्या पहना है? इन हिज नाइट गाउन. गाउन पहना है ना, नाइट गाउन. यस. और उसके हाथ में क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर इन हिज हैंड? अ लैंटर्न. राइट, इट इज अ लैंटर्न. ओके. यस. नाउ देन व्हाट हैपेंड? Knocking at the window. What he was doing? Knocking at the window. See, he is knocking at the windows, right? Knocking at the window and then crying through the lock. Yes, crying through the lock. He was knocking at the window and crying through the lock. See, डोर पे जाके विंडोज पे नॉक कर रहा है और क्या कर रहा है? crying through the locks. है ना, डोर्स पे लॉक लगे, वहां पे जाके क्या कर रहा है वो? he is crying through the lock. Why was he crying? What was he crying? What was he asking? Are the children all in bed? Are the children all in bed? As it's past 8 o'clock. Yes, he is asking children. वो क्या पूछे children से? Are the children all in bed? क्या सारे बच्चे सो गए? Because it's past 8 o'clock. क्योंकि 8 o'clock होके गए हैं. आप सब लोग सो गए क्या? Yes, सबको सोना चाहिए ना जल्दी. Yes, it's 8 o'clock. तो 8 o'clock हो गए तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You have to go to sleep, right? So what Wee Willie Winky did? Yes, children. What Wee Willie Winky did? Wee Willie Winky runs through the town. Yes, upstairs and downstairs in its night gown. Knocking at the windows. Read with me. Crying through the lock. Are the children all in bed? सारे बच्चे सो गए क्या? As it's past 8 o'clock. Yes. Okay. So now we will recite the poem. I'm going to read the poem and you have to read after me. Okay? Yes. Let's start. Title of the poem is Wee Willie Winkie. Yes, title of the poem is Wee Willie Winkie. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown. Upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown. Knocking at the window, crying through the lock. Knocking at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children all in bed? Are the children all in bed? For it's past 8 o'clock. Yes. Have you recited the poem? You enjoyed it? Yes, you have to recite it at your home. Okay, our session is over now. Bye-bye. Take care.